I actually put out an advert on Indeed, to be fair. And what I'm going to do, and hopefully it's of benefit to you guys, I will show you the advert. Well, I'll just show you now and I'll ask the editor to put it up. If you guys can just stop at this point and read exactly what the advert says, and you can write an advert similar to this, and put it up on Indeed. And to give you guys an idea, I have an advert running on Indeed where I'm looking for a sales executive in Pakistan, in Lahore. I've had a total of 6,836 applications, and the cost of this is about 20-30 pounds a month to run an advert on Indeed, and you get tons of applications. You get hundreds minimum of people wanting jobs, and as long as you're providing a good job, which in essence you are, then you're able to actually get a lot of people interested. So my best way is on Indeed. And then what ends up happening is you hire people who are experienced, and you hire people who are like managers at a good level, who then are able to hire other people. And that's what I will say. And I think this is a crucial part of when you're setting up, that in the beginning, the first 1 or 2 people, don't worry about your margins as much. Get the good people. If you have to pay a little bit extra, completely fine. Why? Because it will mean that they will then go on to hire other people, and they will help you grow the company. And that has helped me massively. Today, I probably do about 2 or 3 hours max, absolutely maximum a week. If I'm being honest, that's exaggerating, because it's probably about half an hour a week. But, and that I have been able to do because I've put managers in place. I've hired experienced people, and they are able to carry out the work, and they're able to hire people, interview people, and sack people if need be. And they're able to deal with the companies. That's crucial, by the way, because they actually speak really good English. They articulate themselves really well. So actually, it's a case of when I speak to a company, obviously people are more inclined to speak to me because they know I'm not from Pakistan and I'm going to provide a good service to them, right? So now that when they speak to me, once they're agreed and the trust is there, everything like that, I can pass them over to the person who's dealing with them in Pakistan, and actually they are able to deal with this company in terms of providing service to them, dealing with questions or any issues like that. And by the way, obviously, this is a complete course and I'm going to go over every single part, and therefore I will mention the pay and how to take payments and that sort of thing, and how we take payments. But going on Indeed and getting applications on Indeed has definitely worked for me. Again, to reiterate, keep your salaries high. Keep the salaries high, especially for the first 1, 2, 3 hires. It will save you a lot of hassle. If you're trying to be a little bit stingy in the beginning, you're going to get people who will flop on you, who won't do the work as well as they should, who will mess you about, and it will end up taking time. And I don't want that, because this is the laziest way you can make money, not the hardest way. Make sure, spend a little bit of extra money and get the right person so that you are saving time later on. Now, when you start getting the CVs in, it's very important to make sure that they're actually writing the CVs well. I think it's a mistake sometimes we make, and it's very obvious. But read through the CV very briefly and make sure that they are writing it well and they formatted it well. You will find in many of these countries, unfortunately, people will just apply for the sake of applying, and there won't be much substance there, right? Unfortunately, and random people might apply to random jobs. We get that in the UK as well, but we definitely get it a lot more in countries that are classed as the third world countries, right?